just finished an installation in Fulham in London, and we are just down the road from Fulham Palace. Now, the issue we have here is in this particular 4-story house, 35 to 40% of the living space is in the basement, so no Wi-Fi signal does not go there at all. Also, we had issues with mobile phone coverage in the basement as well, so they needed Wi-Fi to do Wi-Fi calling. I'm going to do a crucial garden test if you walk with me. And we're working today with Ricky Teats in full HD on YouTube with Dollar and come with me. Okay, so we're in the garden now. Wi-Fi is still pushing in full HD. House is all the way over there. This is only available at Wi-Fi UK.